I kept my word. I did it.
Okay, I changed my mind. I think I'm just gonna do the tips. I'm just gonna do the tips blonde. Because then if I want to take out the pink, like if I put my hair up, my hair will look all pink, okay? Because the tips will be pink. And then it won't be as hard to get out, right? Right. And then when I wear it down, the tips will be pink and I'll kind of like maybe blend it in. I don't know. All right, let's go.
It's gonna be baby pink. I will. I liked it pink before. Angie. Yeah. Turn the water on. Oh, I think I put it on the counter. Hold on. Motherhood calls. Hey guys. I'm going to wash out. Wish me luck. Alright. Final review. We have to dry it. FYI, if your hair is damaged, it will not hold as much as it should. So in my case, it held, but it could have been a little bit more vibrant. But this is it. So it's a little subtle change, and for anybody who knows that I rarely wear my hair down. You're a little pretty, but you don't care about that. So this is probably the only time you're gonna be able to see my hair down, unless I curl it. If I curl it, then I do wear it up. But I kept my word. I did it, although it's not all pink. I did half and half, like you guys suggested. And where's my hair tie? Girl, where's the hair tie? Oh my gosh, my glasses are all yucky. So let's see how it looks up. Let's see. Let's just see. It came out like a light pink, peachy color. Now, if it stays like this, I don't mind. And the fact that I did like halfway down, it'll be easier to do like a bleach wash. And if you don't know what a bleach wash is, it is shampoo, developer, and bleach. And you lather it up in your hair, and it will take out a lightness like this. It'll take it out. It's called either a glamour wash, a bleach wash, something else. I don't know. They got another name for it. They got multiple names for it. Oh, I found a hair tie. Alright, so I feel like I want to like braid it, but I'm braiding it right now. So if I was to wear it up, like you guys would usually see me wearing it up, this is how it would look. Sorry about the cleavage. I'm in my pajamas that are totally ruined now. Pinkish blondish color. I like. It's a subtle change. Good enough for now. Like I said, I'm in my PMS stage, so it's like I always like feel like I need a change when I have PMS. Anybody out there feel me? Hit the like button if you do. Let me know what you think. Oh, you can see it better now. Let me take it down. Maybe you can see it even better. Yeah. Oh, you could tell. Yeah. So that is it. So until the next video, thank you for watching. Like I said, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the bell. And if you're not subscribed yet, you totally should be. So until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side. Let me put on my thankyou glasses. Good day, sir.